Menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma haka khat khandai trik no opra ula ong baka Sorkar kan ailad satia yiki kam thombor bat kam pyntriem jong ka sengking atyar Heneutrap National Liberation Council HNLC hadin ka jingpan mthei bom IED haka jaka trekam jong ka dhar company Hashimplong East Giant Hills District kabala jia haka shiteng senya jong ka khatsan trik no opra ka HNLC kala shim ni ka jingkit kli halor ka jingpan bethei bom IED da ka baong baka thumu persya ek jingdan jing em jong usumbut menteri rang ba ka jela uba singa bhalang dhar namar ka jingkan taj ban siu ya ka pisa bala dawa da ka seng haba kali halor ka tega jingjia bat kat nungut ki riu san perthei ha Meghalaya ki bala syak dawa pisa u Konrad ula ong ki jingtep ki babnya kimdan batnga Henry Khamhashwa kila ong ba ula siu Henry menta ki ong ba shim la siu kata kalong ka ka ba ya persya bha ula kular baka Sorkar kan sya jam ya ki ba kum kini ki jingle kam pyntriem bat na kalyang ki pulen kila lum ya ki sakhi satar ki babyang banle halor kani ki pulit kila shim da ka kes ka baklan bha kila don ya ki jingtep ki babyang bat ki sakhi satar ba pura ngathikna bana kalyang USP unsaya sam ya kata bat phira shai kasngi ki pulit kila shim ya ki sin jam ki badai bat kila long ki bastat bha bat ki tu ki badan kti halendet kate ke jinja klem arta tien kin sa syakyam mardor ong u Konrad ka HNLC ha ukurwa lingba u General Secretary u Baksan ku Parnong Trau kala shim ya ka jingkit kli halor ka jingpan bethei bom IED persya ya ki jingdon jing em jong sumbut menteri rangba hadien bala keno ba ula kentat ben siu ya ka pisa bala dawa da ka seng ki pulit kila penthikna ba arngot ki dekat overground workers ke HNLC kila syakyam no hak khat pratrik no pra halor ka jingdan kti ha kate ka kampen bethei bom ha ka ba kila plaru halor ka jingpan up ya utei u bom IED
Details I don't have with me, but earlier they were saying that he was paying, and now they're saying that he's not paying. So it's quite a bit of contradictory thing. But the point here is that that obviously this kind of things will not be tolerated by the government, and I don't want to go too much into details. But the police has made very very strong links, and I should say they have come to the conclusion they have information enough to act on this incident and with full evidence, and so therefore we will be I'm sure the SP will be sharing that with you tomorrow. I'm aware about it, but it's inappropriate for me to share. So action has been taken, police has been very swift, and we have enough to act on the information on the incident that has happened, and the individuals behind that will definitely be picked up.